Hey friends, I am Catherine, and today I'm going to be showing you the cutting of this orange slices cane. I did a couple of cuts and the end ended up a little bit janky, but I kind of expected it would. Now that I've gotten a couple along, it's started to straighten out quite a lot, so I think it'll turn out really nicely, hopefully. Cross your fingers. If you want to see the making of this cane, that video went up just yesterday. So if you do want to see it, I'll include a iCard right up there. And let's get started, shall we? This video today is just going to be all about the cane cutting. I really did pre-bake this cane properly this time. I know last time I didn't quite do it right. I said that I was going to and then I didn't, but I really did pre-bake this one properly this time. And that was in an oven at 170 for... And it just occurred to me it would probably turn out even better if you wrapped half of them in white and then alternated every other one so that the white lines ended up thinner. But that's a thought for next time. But yes, I pre-baked it in an oven at 170 for 10 minutes, really this time, and this is it's still floppy, which is excellent, but when I cut it with my X-Acto knife, it doesn't smear, which is exactly what I'm going for. I don't want it to smear. There we go. And those are turning out actually really quite nicely. Now that I've figured out this whole pre-baking thing and getting the slices nice, I can work on perfecting my canemanship. Like these there's an awful lot of white in there and the sections aren't they're often smushed a little bit, and I think that's just going to take a little bit of practice for this particular kind of citrus fruit looking cane. I didn't have that much trouble, at least not that I noticed, with my avocado slices. So I think that's just the kind of practice that this particular one is going to need. But we'll see how it goes. Ooh, that one ended up sort of funky looking, but that's okay. They aren't terrible in any case. They may not be exactly orange slices, but that's all right. They aren't bad looking either. I'm not upset about that. They're kind of floral almost, which is not a terrible thing. And there's always something good to find in whatever you're doing. So I'm going to slice all through this cane. Yeah, those are very fun and weird. Not upset about it though. Just slicing all the way down through this cane, revealing all of the different, like I definitely didn't end up with sections like I wanted down here. Like this one probably turned out one of the nicest ones right in this area here, but down here they definitely got a bit swirly. Although we are getting to the other end of the cane, that's closer to the center than I expected them to start going weird like that. Oh well, there's always something new to be revealed. There we go. I'm just eyeballing it for width too. Some of these are thicker than others. That's okay. It's not a big deal. Oh, that one started straightening back out again. Maybe we'll end up with something sort of straight down here at the very end. Could be. Yeah. Those, well, now we're getting unstraight again. Of course. Let's finish these up right up here. I think I can get 2 more from this last little section, and that'll be it. I'm just going to stick them onto pins and finish baking them the rest of the way. And that's what I did today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm really liking just seeing how these canes turn out, how they reveal like different things. Like, you'd think it would be the same all the way through, but it's not, and that's weird. Well, I think it'll just be practice, and I'm gonna keep trying, and I hope you guys keep watching and enjoying, and I will see you all tomorrow, and remember to subscribe. Bye!